Okay, in this video we are going to talk about the present perfect, and we're going to look at the questions, how we make questions. And first, a quick overview. So we can use the present perfect for many things. We can use it to talk about experiences. For example, have you been to Thailand? You can use it to talk about duration. For example, has she lived here long? And you can use it to talk about recent events, like, has he left already? So there's different ways we can use these, and we'll talk about those in a different video. But when you make a yes/no question, the form is very simple. It's has, have, plus the subject, plus the past participle of the verb. So here the past participle is been, which is be, was, been. Been is the past participle. Here it's lived, so the ed form often is the past participle. Or you might have an irregular like leave, left. That's the past participle. Go, went, gone. Gone is the past participle, etc. So here, has, have, plus subject, plus past participle. So it would be, have you been to Thailand? Or has she lived here long? Or has he left already? So that would be for yes/no questions. So let's go ahead and look at WH questions. WH questions, very, very similar. So you just have to put WH in front of it. So it's the same, but you just have to have WH. So, example, experience. What cities have you lived in? Or duration. How long have you lived here? Or recent change. Where has he gone? He was here. So that's how you would make the WH. So what we're going to do next for problems is, can you correctly write the question in the present perfect? So here we have, she flying a plane. She flying a plane? So how would we make that into a question? It would be, has she ever flown in a plane? So we often use ever when we're talking about experiences. You don't have to use it, but it's used when we're talking about experiences. And the question would be, has she ever flown in a plane? So you know him long? You know him long? So the subject is you, so it would be, have you known, that's the past participle, have you known him long? And how about this one? You eat yet today? You eat yet today? How would we make that into a correct question? It would be, have you eaten yet today? Have you eaten yet today? Okay, how about this one? What languages you study? What languages you study? It would be, what languages have you studied? That's your past participle, is studied. Okay, how about this one? What companies she applied to? What companies she applied to? So we could just say, what companies has she applied to? What companies has she applied to? And applied would be the past participle. Who he speak with? How would we make that? Who, so it's he, who has he spoken with? And that's it. So that's how you would change them to the present perfect with the question. And that's it. That's the video for questions. We'll do another video about how to make answers in the affirmative and the negative. As always, thanks for listening.